Hello, all my English learners. Welcome back to my channel, Sapna Raghuvanshi, and hope guys that you must be doing great in your life. And obviously, your English speaking practice is going on good. I know. So, with this lovely and adorable thought, let's start today's video. Today, guys, I'm here to make this vlog video randomly without any topic, without any point. And if I'm gonna make this vlog video, so definitely I will be helping you like how to implement your words, new words as you are learning on daily basis, and your new idioms or something how to use incorporate in your English speaking on daily basis. Okay, so look, in this video I will try to utilize some idioms whatever in my mind. I have just learned already lots of idiom, but this is also my biggest problem that while I'm going to have session with anyone or even to myself, while I'm gonna talk, so I just forget all the idiom. So this is the biggest problem that I was facing a lot in my initial day, but right now I'm not facing so much. So I want to help you in this. Okay, so look, I'm gonna deliberately use here, and you have to just be meticulous and listen, and then you have to also try to utilize those idioms whatever I'm going to use right now. Okay, so guys, while I was learning English and while I was in my initial day, so I was just always thinking that I can't wrap my head around in English. So I can't. So at the place of can't, you can use couldn't, because we are talking about past. So couldn't. I couldn't wrap my head around in English. So wrap your head around in something means try to understand something which is very complex or tough to understand. So this is one idiom, and another idiom, lots of idiom I'm just going to use, and you have to just notice. Okay, I will not remind you, you have to notice by yourself. So I was also thinking that learning English was not my cup of tea, and I was thinking about English only one thing, that learning English is just a rocket science for me personally. But nowadays the condition, the situation has been completely changed. Nowadays I'm just thinking opposite of that, rocket science and a cup of tea. So what is the opposite that I'm thinking and means nowadays? So this is, learning English is just a piece of cake for me, not only for me, my dear friend. It can be a piece of cake for you as well if you are dedicated. So you have to be passionate and dedicated about your English. You have to clear your why. Like, why are you here? Why are you learning English? If you have a strong motive to learn this language, so definitely this will be a piece of cake for you. As I know very well the importance of English language in my current job place. I need this language. That's why I know the importance of this language. If I really want to be respected, and if I really want to be a good teacher among my colleagues, among my students, so I have to learn this language just because I am an English teacher. So I know the value of English language. That's why I'm so much passionate and dedicated about it. So you have to also just clear your why. So my dear friends, don't try to now think like this, that you are not a job holder, so this language is not mandatory for you to learn. If you are not a job holder, if you are housewife, suppose, if you are farmer, but still you need this language, you have to go through this language when you go to your kids school. So definitely you have to face this language, you will have to face. So for this purpose you have to learn this language, and at that moment if you don't know English language, and if teachers of your kids will speak English, and you will not be able to understand even and utter a single sentence in English, so you will feel embarrassed there. So for this purpose you have to just learn English language. So nowadays For each and every one, English language is compulsory to learn. So my dear and lovely audience, and if you are also on the track of learning this language, so I hope that you must have cleared your why already. Like, why are you learning this language? And if your why is clear, so definitely you are gonna be on track. As I was using some idiom, but I was distracted. So this is my biggest problem, and I don't know why, guys, but whenever I'm going to speak English randomly, so I just feel like that if I get any random word, so I just start speaking on that word. And I think this is not my problem. This is the great thing, and I should suggest you all to do this. As you know, that I just use the word distraction. If you are passionate, so you are not going to be distracted. So for this you have to be disciplined. So now look, I got two words, discipline and distraction. So we can use these two words further in our speaking. As right now, if you are thinking that I don't have anything, what to talk, what to not, okay, so just pick any words, okay, any word from your sentence, and then try to speak something on that. Right now look, as I already picked the word discipline. So as we all know very well that discipline is the foundation of success in all aspect of life. The more successful people in this world who has just achieved this level or this success in their life, so why and how? Just because they were disciplined, by following discipline. So we all need to follow discipline. We all need to maintain discipline, and the discipline is not mandatory for kids only, for students only. It's mandatory for each and every individual. Okay, it's mandatory for students, for kids, for parents, for teachers, for everyone. If you are disciplined, only then you are gonna achieve something in your life. If you are not disciplined, so you are not gonna do something productive in your life, my dear friend. And this is the reality. I'm not just bugging here something, okay, randomly, because you know, if you are disciplined, so you are gonna just utilize your time productively. And the person, as I took name distraction here, so distraction, as we all know very well that this world is full of distraction. If we talk about distraction, so in our surrounding and in our mobile, as I'm just making this video in my mobile, and I'm just gonna upload this video in my mobile, okay. So I'm just what I'm doing, I'm just utilizing this mobile. I'm not being distracted, and this mobile is also a great center of distraction. And one word also I want to add here, this mobile which I'm having right now, and you are also having right now, as you are watching my video right now, okay. So you are also having mobile, so you are watching my video in your mobile, so you are also doing something productive in your life. Why? Just because I'm not sharing something nonsense, I'm just sharing something good content. I'm just sharing something related to English, and I'm just motivating you, okay. So I can say we both are just utilizing this mobile. And the word that I wanted to add here, that is opportunity. So as we are talking about this mobile phone, so this mobile phone is the greatest center of distraction as well as opportunity. On this social media, as we all know very well, lots of distraction are there, and also lots of opportunity are there. Lots of people are there who are just wasting their precious valuable time, okay, on this social media in trivial things. And the most of the learners, most of the aspirants are there who are just learning lots of things, new things, extraordinary things. They are just learning through social media. They are just utilizing their mobile, social media. So in this so in short, my dear friends, I want to say that this mobile and the social media is just full of distraction and opportunity also. Why I'm saying that this is full of opportunity, because in this social media there's a lots of opportunity. It's all up to us that whether we are gonna grab the opportunity or we are gonna grab the distraction. So as I'm here to grab the opportunity, so I'm just holding opportunity. That's why I'm just making this video. I'm speaking English without spending a single penny. I have learned English and by sitting at my home through this social media. So I can claim like, yes, I have just utilized social media and I have just got opportunity from social media. And the person who are just who have already just wasted their time in trivial things by watching reels, by watching something bad content, like lots of bad things are there, vulgarity type things I can say, on social media. So most of the people are just wasting their time by watching something bad from here. Okay, so they are just wasting their time, they are just grabbing distraction. But we guys, me and you, we all learners, I'm not talking about only English learners, lots of learners are there who are learning English, who are learning other languages, who are learning stitching, who are learning cooking, who are learning lots of things are there. I can't mention each and everything, my dear friends, but lots of things I have learned from social media. So in short, I would like to say that I think I hit the nail on the head. Yes, I hit the nail on the head. Now, my dear friends, the ball is in your court. So it means now it's your time to think something and to speak something. So, my dear and lovely audience, in short, I am gonna stop my video now. But I want to tell you one thing, that if you decide to make video and you don't have any topic, any point, like what are you going to talk, what are you not going to talk, so don't worry about this. If you once open your mouth, you will get topic one after another, okay, like this as I'm getting right now. So whenever I'm just making my blog video, whenever I'm just speaking English with you, with myself, so I feel very content and I feel myself that I am on cloud 9, I am on seventh heaven, I am on the top of the world, I am over the moon. These all idioms are related to happiness, that it means that I am extremely happy. And you know guys, why I think I am just a little bit panting while making this video. So why, you know, just because today I am feeling so much exhausted, tired, first of all due to weather, because weather is very scorching, boiling, sweltering, hot. In short, I can say it's very hot at my place, and all the time we are just sweating, and it seems like a cooler and fan, all the things are not working, it's not giving any relax to us. And why I'm panting, you know, just because you can see I have been stitching my clothes since morning today. Not since morning, I can say after just completing my household. No guys, in this summer vacation I have lots of work to do, lots of clothes I'm having to stitch. So my dear and lovely audience, let me say bye now, and I hope that you guys will also enjoy your English like me, as I am always enjoying speaking English. So in the same way, you must enjoy your English speaking practice. If you don't have any partner, so be your partner and enjoy your English with yourself like me. So bye bye, take care.